If you're working hard every day but still feel stuck, here's the uncomfortable truth. You might be wasting time without realizing it. The real game changer? It's not what you think. You see, most people chase tasks, not results. They fill their days with business, not progress. The winners? They automate low-value work so they can focus on high-impact moves that actually grow wealth and freedom. The fastest path to freedom isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of the meaningless. Every system you build today buys you back hours tomorrow. That's how leverage is made. Start by systemizing one daily task. Schedule, automate, or delegate it. Then repeat. Watch how your time compounds like interest, until your life becomes the business you built, not the job you do. So tell me, what's one thing you could automate today to win back your time? Comment below. Your next breakthrough might start right there.